Okay, we're going to start modeling in Fusion 360 from a real life example. So this right here is just a SketchUp model of some snap cubes, and I put the dimensions in. I actually measured a snap cube model and then typed in the dimensions. You guys will do this on your own, and you'll have these dimensions on a piece of paper. I just want to kind of show you what you would have in your hand, okay? So we want to think about how we would model this in Fusion 360, because Fusion 360 uses sketches. So remember, we have this kind of like, if we look at it from the top, we have kind of an L shape right here. So what we're going to do in Fusion is we're going to draw an L shape, okay, and using those dimensions, coming across, going up. Okay, and then I'm going to type in all those dimensions. I'm just showing you kind of like what the workflow is. Then we're going to go push-pull, and we're going to come up these dimensions here. So it's going to be whatever that is, okay? And then we have dimensions on the top, these guys up here. So we're going to go back to the line tool. I'm going to put in those dimensions, okay, whatever it is. And then we're going to kind of come across here. Okay, and maybe it doesn't 100% line up, and that is totally fine. And then we're going to go push-pull however high this is right here. So push-pull and just kind of model our shape. Now, real life doesn't snap, even if you have like a little gap there. If that's what you measured, then go with that, okay? So that's kind of what we're going to do, but in Fusion 360. So I'm going to, using all of these measurements, I had actually written them down on a piece of paper. We're going to go to Fusion 360, open up a new design. We want to go to document settings and then change this and make sure it's in inches. And for goodness sakes, you guys, make sure that you are signed into your account. Okay, if you're not, adjust that, please. So I want you to save this. We will go File, Save. You're going to name it Example Snap Cubes. Okay. So our first plane, we want to do that kind of on the ground, the same way we did with SketchUp. So our first plane, we're going to do a sketch, and it's going to be on that ground plane right here. So, and then I'm going to move that over. Okay, we're going to use the line tool, and I'm going to input the lines, the measurements that I have on my piece of paper. Your measurements will be different. Don't type these in, okay? I'm just going by what I got, okay? Adjust these so they kind of look nice, okay? We can zoom in a little bit. We're going to go tap L for the line tool, click over here, put in your dimensions, 7, okay, we're going to do the top piece up here, all the ones that I measured, okay, okay, and again, yours will be different because all the snap cubes are a little bit different, okay? If these, we want to actually push the dimensions outside of the shape. Now, we don't have dimensions for this inner part of the L, but that's okay. We're going to use construction lines and use that line tool again. And I'm just going to go up at a 90 degree and have the software work for us. So just go across. Oh, I don't want 90.3 degrees. Okay. That's a weird, okay. Okay. So yours may not do that. Yours might snap exactly to 90. But it was kind of, it just looked funny. Okay. So I'm going to do the line tool again, and I'm going to turn off the construction lines. I'm going to retrace this. Okay, and then click here. Okay, so I wind up with this kind of this shape. Okay, my bottom L shape. So we go finish sketch, and then I'm going to click the little house. Okay, we're going to go extrude, and I'm going to see the arrows pointing that direction. So I'm going to come up. We're going to go 0. Again, you do yours, not mine. Okay. And now the next sketch we're going to do just on the top here, just like I was showing you guys. So I'm going to select this top. Okay. Make sure you hit save often and user saved. That's great. So we're going to go line. This one is measured. Okay. And then we got another one. Okay, that was. Okay. Again, I'm going to move these guys out because I don't like them on the inside of the shape. Okay. Now I'm going to do that same thing with the construction line where I just kind of draw a construction line out. And you can see it overlaps a little bit, and that's fine because we're measuring it within tenths of a millimeter. So go L, go down. Okay. I want to go where it intersected there. Okay. And see, it overlaps a little bit, and that's okay. The plastic is, it's a little funny. So now what I'm going to do is turn this off and retrace those lines because I want to figure out where they intersected. Boom. Boom. Okay, finish sketch, and that's what I wanted. Okay, I'm going to go back to the little house. All right, I have to do the math to figure out how high to drag this up. And so you want to be careful here. So my math was up. Okay, and that was my shape. And I get a little gap here, and that is okay. That is okay. All right. So we're going to save that. Okay. I want you guys to turn this some kind of cool color. We're going to go appearance. Maybe the same color as your snap cube. Please don't crash. Hang with me. Oh no! Well, I already saved it, so okay. I'll be right back once it stops crashing. Wowzers, you guys! My computer just got so hot. Okay, so one more time. Make it look like something cool. I think I'm trying to ask it to do. Yeah, it was bad. Let's turn this into glass. Let's just see. Oh no, that looks terrible. Okay. I don't know. Make it look like something fun. Or even, just paint. Go glossy, do an enamel red. How's that? Okay. So what we're going to do now is you drop these sketches open. Okay, now there's this cool feature that if you right click on this, there's a thing that says show dimension. And you can turn on the visibility and it will show the dimension. So I can turn on the visibility on that guy, right click and hit show dimension. And that gives me, it should look exactly like my worksheet page. Okay. So this is the thing that you submit. Okay. Submit a screenshot of that. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much.